happened to the people of New Orleans? We used to love each other. The neighbor, everybody thought about each other and tried to help each other. But that's going down the drain for a buck.
Michael Esnault lives on $1,300 a month. For the last 6 years, he's made ends meet thanks to a low rent program for veterans at American Can. But now he's one of 53 renters who could soon have to move. The developer's low-income housing agreement expires in January of 2017. So Esnault's lease is not being renewed, meaning he has to be out by New Year's. And according to a local law firm representing Esnault and other residents, 52 more people won't have their leases renewed. That's why they took their concerns to City Hall, demanding answers from Mayor Mitch Landrieu. He was out, but other administrators sat with residents for an hour without lawyers, organizers, or the press.
Thank you so much. We'll come back out and speak with others.
The city's communication director said the mayor has already reached out to the American Can's management, asking for more time. And he said others living in similar setups across the city could also see housing subsidies dropped when their developers satisfy their original deals.
However, we think it is absolutely important that even when those timetables are done, right, when they've met their legal obligation, that there's a moral responsibility that companies have to work with their residents, give them enough heads up.
In the meantime, the city said they would help American Can residents find other affordable housing. Esnault said he felt heard, but that doesn't damper his determination going forward.
I'm going to keep on. Like I said, I'm a Vietnam vet. One thing I learned how to do is fight. And, you know, because if we don't fight for what we have, we're going to lose it.
In New Orleans, Jennifer Crockett, WDSU News.
And late this afternoon, we got a statement from the attorney of the American Can Property Management Group, and it reads, there have been no evictions filed by ownership. Only 7 written notices were sent out to tenants and Hano at the end of October, advising them that their leases had expired and or were month to month and would not be renewed after December 31st, 2016. Financial incentives and assistance in finding other accommodations have been offered and are ongoing. No other notices were sent to anyone else at the American Can Apartments at this time. American Can supports any citywide effort to establish a central registry of available affordable housing units to assist all citizens.